Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Tempest. I am going to teach Act 2, Scene 2. In my last video, I already taught up to line 110. Today I am going to continue. Okay, before starting, let me recap a little. Caliban enters cursing Prospero for his labors. He sees Trinculo, the jester, coming towards him. Seeing his wild costume and fearing he is another of Prospero's spirits coming to torture him, Caliban lies down on the ground to hide himself. Stephano, the drunken butler, enters the scene after drifting ashore, clinging to a barrel of wine. Stephano believes that if he can tame the monster and get him to Naples, he would be a good present for an emperor. Furthermore, he could make a fortune by putting him on display in sideshows in Europe. Suddenly, Caliban cries out, fearing that one of Prospero's spirits has come to torture him. Stephano hears his cries and pours some wine down his throat. Now, let me continue. Okay? Look here, Trinculo is telling Stephano, "Oh, Stephano, two Neapolitans escaped." Okay, two Neapolitans escaped referred to Stephano and Trinculo. Now Caliban is telling, aside, "These be fine things." These refer to Stephano and Trinculo as if they be not spirit. Now Caliban realizes that they are not spirits. Okay, now Stephano is asking Trinculo, "How didst thou escape?" Okay, how did you come here? Okay, next Stephano is telling that he made out of the bark of a tree with his own hands after he reached the shore. Now Caliban is telling. What is Caliban telling? "I swear upon that bottle." Okay? Caliban is telling that he takes his oath on this bottle that he would be his loyal subject. His means Stephano's loyal subject. Stephano is telling, "Here is the bottle. Tell me on your oath how you saved yourself." Okay? Stephano is once again asking Trinculo. Okay, now what is Trinculo's reply? "Swam ashore." Okay, Trinculo is telling that he swam ashore like a duck. Okay, at this time, Trinculo is telling that though you can swim like a duck, you look like a goose. Okay, Stephano is telling that you swim like a duck. Okay, but you look like goose. Okay, now Trinculo is asking Stephano, "Okay, oh Stephano, have you any more of this drink?" At this, Stephano is telling that I have the whole cask of man. I have whole cask, man. I have made my cellar to a cave by the seaside and I have hidden my wine there. Now Stephano is asking Caliban, "How are you, monster?" Okay, Stephano is asking Caliban, "How are you, monster?" Clear? Now Caliban is replying. What's Caliban is replying? "Has thou not dropped from heaven?" Means he's not replying. Actually, Caliban is asking question that have you dropped straight from the heaven? Okay. To Stephano, he's asking the question. Okay. Now Stephano is telling. Okay. What is Stephano is telling? Out of the moon. Okay. Stephano is telling that I assure you, I have dropped from the moon. Clear? Now Caliban is telling, "I have seen them in her." Okay, now Caliban is telling that yes, I saw you on the moon and my mistress showed me you and your dog. Okay, Stephano is telling that I will fill it again with fresh supply. Okay, look, Stephano is telling I will fill it with new contents. Caliban drinks. Okay, now Trinculo is telling this is the most worthless monster. Okay, Trinculo is telling that Caliban is the most worthless monster, a very weak monster. Okay, that is a feeble-minded monster who believes in the man in the moon. Caliban, I will show you every fertile plot. Okay, now Caliban is very much happy with Stephano. Therefore, he is telling that I will show you every fertile land in this island. Okay, Trinculo, I swear by this light, it's the most treacherous and drunken monster. Okay, Trinculo is telling that it's the most drunken monster. Caliban is telling, I will kiss thy foot. Okay, Caliban is telling to Stephano, I will kiss your foot and swear myself your subject. Stephano, come on then, kneel down and swear. Trinculo, I will die with laughing. Look, what is Trinculo is telling? I will die with laughing. Okay, because it's a very brainless monster. Okay, now Caliban is telling, once again, I will show you the best fountains. Okay, Caliban is once again telling that I will show you the best fountains. Clear? And bring you berries and catch fish for you and supply you with sufficient firewood. Okay, now Trinculo is telling that what a ridiculous monster. Okay, now Caliban is once again telling, okay, that I will dig out groundnuts with my nails. I will show you the jay's nest and teach you how to entrap the bushy-tailed moon. Okay, now Stephano is telling, look, what is Stephano telling? Stephano is telling that I would ask you not to talk but to guide me there. Okay, Caliban sings in his intoxication. Okay, in this way, I am ending this scene. In my next video, I am going to bring something new. Until then, goodbye.